What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Flare, which has pumped up over 37% in the last 24 hours and is currently valued at just over 2 cents guys. As you guys can see, the pump took place earlier this morning and we're going to be looking at how high is it likely to pump up to, why has it pumped up, can it potentially hit 3-4 cents over the next couple of days or weeks, and looking at its prediction going into 2024, how high can this crypto go, and also looking at, is it worth buying it right now, is it too late, or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart. This gives us the average value of Flare, which is here in purple at 0.01353 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at just below 2 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So an overall drop in value is what is expected from the graph over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, I'm expecting Flare to be trading over the 2 cents target is what I'm expecting. Don't get me wrong, it is likely to hit red candles in between, take a little bit of a dip, a little bit of a step back in between, but the overall outcome I'm expecting is an overall increase in value, heading over 2 cents in target is what I'm expecting from Flare over the next 12 to 14 hours, potentially heading about 0.022 to 0.023 cents in target. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, and the blue line is literally flat out going in a straight line, is not looking bullish or bearish. So what is expected here? Well, the orange line is looking way too steep, first of all, meaning that's not realistic. It is looking way too steep due to the fact that Flare has pumped up quite a bit over the last 24 hours. So the graph, the yellow line, thinks that is going to keep heading in that direction and at that pace as well over the next couple of days. However, that is not the case, and it's not realistic. Over the next 7 to 8 days, I'm expecting Flare to have dropped back down in value to around 0.014, just below that price range here is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Again, reason I say that is because it's pumped up quite a bit in a short amount of time, meaning yes, it is overvalued right now, so it is going to drop back down in value. And again, once it drops back down to where it was trading at yesterday, the day before, it should slowly and steadily gain value to make it more sustainable, because right now it is overvalued. So an overall drop in value is expected over the coming days, but again, do expect green days in between as well, but the red days are likely to overtake the green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue line is looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, and the orange line is just about slanting towards the positive direction. So all in all, an overall minimal increase in value is what I'm expecting from Flare over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. Mid to late January 2024, I'm expecting Flare to be heading to around the 3 cents target is what I'm expecting. Again, we're gonna have to give it enough time to do that. So let's not say January, let's say Q1. So in the first quarter of 2024, I'm expecting Flare to be hitting the 3 cents target. Again, from now on, from this point onwards, it should drop back down to about 0.014 cents and then slowly and steadily gain value over the next 2 to 3 months, gaining a decent amount of value for it to be trading around the 3 cents target. And I'm also expecting the crypto market to be heading towards the positive direction for most of 2024. So this is my take and my prediction on Flare, guys. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we have literally broken out from the red zone into the green zone without any resistance, meaning yes, it is overvalued and it has to resist. It has to have some kind of resistance before it breaks out. That didn't happen, so more or less over the coming days, do expect it to drop back down into the red zone, and the next time it does head into the green zone, it should resist for a bit, for about a day or two before it breaks out and heads into the green zone. So yeah, back into the red zone we go over the next week or so, and then potentially slowly and steadily gaining value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 700% in the last 24 hours, making it $115 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading, guys, because it is one of the top gainers right now. It is getting a lot of attention from both buyers and sellers point of view, and a lot of people are actually making movements on it. A lot more people are investing into it, and a lot of people are also selling it once they've seen their profits. So the main question, as you guys saw in the thumbnail, can Flare potentially hit 10 cents, and if so, when am I expecting that? Probably very late 2024, early 2025 is when I'm expecting Flare to be hitting the 10 cents target. Yes, I know that's quite a while to go. However, it depends on how the crypto market performs, and Flare, as you guys can see, we've got data from about early 2023, and for it to hit 10 cents, it's going to have to go through quite a major increase in value. So for that to take place and for that to be sustainable, we're going to have to give it enough time to hit those targets. So yeah, late 2024, early 2025 is when I'm expecting Flare to hit the 10 cents target. Comment down below, when are you guys expecting Flare to hit 10 cents? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe. So why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.